everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Friends, wedding season is on. So in this video, I am showing you some heavy embroidered Punjabi bridal suit collections which you can wear for the Punjabi weddings. So continue watching the video till the end to get some Punjabi wedding outfit ideas.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.